Red light runner. Yep. Because freeze. Stop sign. Stop sign. Don't run the red like that. Don't totally run. Yeah, okay, thank you. Hey, nice yield Prius. What the? Why are you stopped? Why are your headlights off? It's a parking space. The stop sign? Stop sign. Super douche. Super dunce. It's green, stupid. It's green. It's green. Florida. Yeah. Florida.
We're getting reports of possible debris there getting onto the Tobin, so that may be slowing things down there. The Lever connector inbound is busy getting.
And you're another nitwit.
No problems in the airport tunnel 6. Expressway northbound is slow at the Ponset and from Savin Hill.
Oh, today, kids. Director left lane beetle. Don't do it. Don't do it, Toyota. Don't you can do it. Can't call accident. Don't lead this way. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop! Stoppy, stop, 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 stop. Stand up and stand. Just look at me and go, no problem. You drive like an imbecile. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. One front, one back. Jesus. Wake up, Grandma. Stop.
Cloudy in Norwood. Here in Boston, it's 70 degrees. Cloudy sky at 2.
Fudge.
An update now on a story we've been following for. They got bigger. They transferred them to Olivera's family farm in Tewksbury. Olivera says they've been battling Massachusetts agricultural resources for months.
Go, you shithead.
Unannounced from my knowledge.
Go. It's green. Go. It's green. Go. What the? You. What the hell are you? What is wrong with you? Lex Tard. Dude, you know, like, how about not walking when it says don't walk? I think you ran the red. fun. Did I just run the red? I'm not running it this time. I'm not going to run it this time. I'm not going to run it this time. Stop before you turn, you tard. What the hell are you doing? Why the hell are you parked there? Stop! Go, you hackaheads. No, 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 no! You're a dumbass. Red. Guess who just ran the red? Sure. Yay! Don't run the red. You bastard, you masshole. Yeah! Stop sign being double turd. Haha.